In today's video, I'm going to show you the Strong App Review 2025. Strong is a workout logging app focused primarily on strength training. Its UI is very clean and intuitive. Many users say it's easy to use mid-workout, where you don't want to fumble too much with your phone. As you can see from Total Shape, the app records your sets, reps, and weight, remembers past lifts to help with tracking progress, and offers charts and analytics to show improvement over time. It supports custom workouts and templates, cloud sync, and has good compatibility with Apple Health or Google Fit via exports. This makes it especially appealing for lifters who are past the beginner stage and just want a solid tool for tracking and motivation. On the downside, Strong doesn't try to be an all-in-one fitness app. If you want guided programs, video tutorials, coaching, cardio tracking, or more holistic wellness tools, Strong falls short. Beginners can feel a bit on their own, since the app expects you more or less to know what exercises to do, though it does have a large library of movements. Some users find limitations irritating. The free version is fairly restricted, for example, only a few routines or templates, rest timers, or gym-specific details like supersets are sometimes less advanced or need manual tweaks. Another issue many bring up is cost versus value. The Pro and Premium tier unlocks the analytics, unlimited custom routines, enhanced stats, etc., but some users feel the price isn't always justified. Bugs or missing features, for example deleting individual sets, some superset support, etc., show up in user feedback. In my view, Strong is legitimate, with a well-defined niche, strength training, and gym log tracking. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.